everyone! Do you know that grasslands are all around the world? Every continent except Antarctica has grasslands. These are areas with medium rainfall. You'll find many different types of tall grasses, herbs, and flowers all mixed together. From the savannas of Africa to the prairies of Kansas, grasslands are home to lots of different species that live in the soil. Feed on the grass, or eat the animals that eat the grass. In the United States, that could be bisons and cows. In Africa, it's gazelles, lions, and elephant. Okay, onto our worksheet now, dinos. Remember, the link below is provided to print out the worksheet so we can do it together. First, let's write our names. Pick your favorite color crayons. I chose blue to write my name. What color did you choose? Ooh, I like that color. By the way, your letters are getting so amazing. Okay, let's read the directions. Red S, red S. What do you see? I see a blue shark looking at me. Let's read it one more time. Red S, what do you see? I see a blue shark looking at me. What do we color the S? It says red S. What do we color it? Red. Great job, dinos. Let's grab our red colored crayon and let's color the S red. It's okay if you go outside the lines. As long as you're trying to stay inside the lines, that's amazing to me. I love coloring. Don't you, dinos? Yes? Great job. We have something in common. Except, I think you're amazing at coloring. Now that we're done coloring the S, oh, we're still coloring. Let's finish our finishing touches on the red S. Now that we're done, what do you think we should color the shark? Let's read. It says, I see a blue shark looking at me. Yep, that's right. It's a blue shark looking at us. So let's color the blue shark blue. Let's color the blue shark blue. By the way, do you notice who the shark is? Can anyone guess? That's right. It's Sharky Shark. Great job at spotting Sharky Shark. Hey dinos, do you want to hear a joke? Okay, how did the hammerhead do on the math exam? He nailed it! Haha, get it? Nail? Hammerhead? Nailed it? Hey dinos, I have a question for you. What do you do if you see a shark? You swim away! Now let's color Sharky Shark's mouth red so it looks scary. But isn't Sharky Shark also so cute? Okay, dinos, while you're coloring the shark, did you want to know some fun facts? Like, Great job, dinos! Look how cool Sharky Shark is! Now that we're done coloring Sharky Shark and the red S, let's color the background! Anything your imagination wants you to draw! I can't wait to see what you draw! You always have the best imagination! My background, I'm going to draw different color blue waves. Every single crayon of blue I can find, I'm going to color the waves the color. First, it's like a dark blue wave. Now, I'm going to color it a light blue wave. All around. Hey dinos, did you know that sharks don't have bones? They use their gills to filter oxygen from the water. They are a special type of fish known as elasmobranch, which translate into fish made of cartilage tissues. Okay, now that I've done it, the light blue, I'm going to color it a aqua blue. Just all around, so it looks like a big, deep, dark, light, aqua blue. See? That's Sharky Shark's in front of. Next, I'm coloring it a navy blue. How do you like it so far, dinos? Oh, great. I'm so happy. Now, a sea foam blue. This way it makes all the dark blues stand out. Hey, check out my friend Sharky Shark. You guys did such a great job. I can't wait to see you next week, dinos. Bye!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here.